We know most things about the Triber, the technical specifications, the features and the space on the inside. However, there is one piece of the puzzle missing. We don't know how it drives. Today we are in Goa to test the ride, handling and performance of Renault's sub 4 meter MPV. The engine and the transmission do work well together in the Triber, and for the most part, the size of the engine is easily masked. The Triber pulls cleanly from as low as 18 km per hour in third gear, and that could be particularly useful while driving in traffic.
There is no denying that the Triber is a good-looking MPV. The sub 4 meter length constraint hasn't prevented the designers from creating a shape that would find favor among most buyers. On the inside, the Triber continues to impress, and together with good quality materials, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, features like a cool storage bin and fresh styling on the inside set it apart. The seats are comfortable too, and although cramped, the all-important third row is actually rather usable. Based on an updated version of the platform that also underpins the Quid, the Triber is blessed with ride and handling that's difficult to fault.
Once on the move, the Triber cruises comfortably at highway speeds, and there is enough grunt from the motor to overtake slower moving vehicles. The rubberiness of the gear lever and the inconsistent clutch feel could be particularly annoying when driving in traffic though. The ride is pretty good considering the price point that the Triber is positioned at. At low speeds, bumps and undulations are taken care of very easily, and as speeds increase, the ride gets even better. The Triber handled the narrow, twisty roads of Goa really well, and even though the steering wheel is pretty vague, it is fairly accurate. Despite its MPV form, the Triber felt planted and composed through some of the very bumpy corners.
But can the Triber's engine and transmission handle the weight of its 7 occupants?
Moment of truth. Can the Triber take 7 people and all their luggage and get off the line smoothly? Slotting it into first, easing off the clutch, and here we go. It's not really effortless, but it does get the job done.
That being said, the lack of grunt has been well contained by some clever engineering, and it doesn't come across as a deal breaker. The expected AMT variant will ease woes further. In conclusion, with a sticker price that starts at Rs 4.95 lakh and the USP of seating 7 adults, the Triber with remarkably good ride and handling comes across as a very good option.